Hey friends, I hope you're all doing great. And today we are going to see some basic input tags, different type of input tags in HTML. So let's get started. So I am using Sublime Text. You can use any text editor. Okay. So input types dot html. Save it, and don't forget to give the extension as HTML. Okay. And in title just inputs, so that doesn't matter. Okay. And here let's say input tag, and the type is, the first type is text, and the name is not necessary. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have to open that file. Just double click on it or open with any browser. So this is our first tag. So this is a text input, and this doesn't really look great, but so you can just use a tag, use just a text here like name. Okay, and now it says name. Now it looks okay, and you can give it a placeholder if you want. Placeholder like user name. If you save it, then refresh it. Look, placeholder means this thing. If you just start typing, it will disappear. And now let's say password, and the input type is now password, and obviously it's small p, and you can give the placeholder again as password. Save it and then refresh it. Let's look at this. So this looks fine now. And what else we have? We have text area for description kind of things where you want to take a long text input. So if you save it, so this is our text area. So you can give it a level like address. Save it, refresh it. Okay, so it is here address. So what we can do is give a break here. So break means it will break the line, and next thing will be in the second line. Okay, so this is our text area, and we have email. So the type is email. Email, and give another break here. Save it, and as it has placeholder username, it says username. You can type here mail ID. Now it says mail ID, and we have file type of input. So to the file, and here you can say the file is, type is file, and you don't need any placeholder in this case. Save it, refresh it. This is the current thing we have done. Choose the file, browse. If you click on browse, it will open that file, your file manager, and now you can choose any file. Okay, like a dot out, so it says a dot out. Okay, sorry, and give a br here to break, and we have checkbox like conditions. So terms and condition, you have to check that box to submit. So you can say here checkbox. Okay, do not, we don't need any placeholder here. Save it, and here we have conditions. You can check this box. Okay, uncheck. And we have radio buttons like that we use for multiple choice questions. You can say gender and then radio. No need of placeholders. Okay, here you can say male, and then female. Okay, save it, refresh, and we have our male female. So the problem is we must choose one of them, but here we can choose both the things, but this is not the thing we want, right? And we need a break after this checkbox. So here is our break, and for that we need to give it a name. So give it a name gender, and this one too. Save it, refresh it. Now you can choose only one of them. So you, if you have another thing and with that same name, let's say others, so these three radio buttons are together like one multiple choice question has three inputs, three options. Okay, so save it and refresh it, and here you have three options and you can choose only one of them. So you have to give all of them the same name. Okay, so like I gave them name gender. And for what else we have select, that is select tag is for drop down. Select, and here you have to give options. So options, let's say select, control C, V, 1 2 3 4 5. Save it, and BR as usual, save again and refresh. So here we have select and we have our drop down. Okay, so you can use it for like birth date, so month, then you have another drop down for year and then date, something like that. Okay, drop down, and we after all we have that submit button. So input type submit, and name is not needed for now. Save it, refresh, and we have our submit button, but as it's by default it says submit query, so you can change that value by just typing give it by just giving it a value. So give it a value like done, save it and give a vr here, save again, and we have our done button here. Okay, so I think that's all for now. So see you in our next video. Hope you enjoyed this one.